Hello, my name is Mujizat Alam. Today, I want to tell about the ASEAN Future Forum NextGen Workshop 2026. I'm eager to join this event because I see it as a rare and strategic platform where emerging leaders can move beyond discussion and actively shape ideas that contribute to ASEAN's long-term regional leadership under the ASEAN Vision 2045. As ASEAN face increasingly complex challenges from digital disruption and supply chain vulnerability to geopolitical uncertainty, there is growing need for young leaders not only understand policy frameworks but also bring practical experience from industry and public institutions into regional dialogue. My professional background is rooted in the maritime and industrial sector, where I have been directly involved in digital transformation initiative, organizational leadership, and strategic coordination within Indonesian shipbuilding and defense-related industries. This experience has allowed me to understand how regional policies translate into operational realities, particularly in areas such as industrial competitiveness, supply chain resilience, and technology adoption across different level of development. At the ASEAN Future Forum Next Year Workshop, I aim to contribute by bridging policy thinking with real-world industrial practice. I hope to share insight on how digital transformation and data-driven decision-making can strengthen ASEAN's economic resilience. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.